What have you done? What have you done? What have you...
I might have made a bit of a mess.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
So
What?
all me saying leave it alone and we'll do it and sort it out.
One of us had to start. We kept procrastinating and putting it off. I've started.
Right.
You hated that stripy wallpaper. Hello, Ted.
That is not the point. Need to move all the speakers, take all the stuff out of that brown cabinet. It'll bloody stay like that now.
Okay.
God. Can't leave you alone for 5 minutes.
It took me a bit longer than 5 minutes. Moving all the furniture took that.
I'm going.